Welcome students. Today we are going to start a new chapter in commerce, that is partnership. In this video we will understand meaning and feature of partnership. Let's start with meaning. Of partnership forms. A partnership is a voluntary association. So, this is voluntary association, not obligatory, of two or more person. Two or more person means for partnership at least two persons required who agree to carry on some business jointly and share its profit and losses. So there must be a business and there must be a share profit and losses between them. They combined their funds and skill to carry on business together. Okay. So partnership is a voluntary association, means it is not obligatory, voluntary. Okay. And there must be a business, there must be a share and profits and losses between them. Okay. Now let's move on the features of partnership firms. The essential characteristics of partnership are as follows. First one is two or more persons. So there must be at least two persons of partner to form a partnership. A person cannot enter into partnership with himself. The maximum number of person in the partnership should not exceed 10 in case of banking business and 20 in case of other business. Okay. If the number of partners exceed the prescribed limit, it would become illegal association of persons. So for become partnership there must be at least two persons and its maximum limit is 10 if you have a business banking business and 20 if you have any other type of business. Okay. Now next is agreement. The partnership is the outcome of an agreement between persons. The relation of partnership arises from the formation of contract and not for status or birth. If proprietor gives a share profit to his employee, it will not be called partnership. So it can be said that the birth of partnership is from the agreement. Without the agreement, no partnership can be formed. That matter is different whether it is in the written or oral, but it does not matter. It does not matter, but agreement is must. Okay. There must be an agreement. Okay. Next. Next is lawful business. A partnership can be formed only for the purpose of carrying on business. An association of persons who jointly own a house without carrying on a business, it's not partnership. Moreover, the business carried by the partners must be lawful. Illegal acts such as theft, deceit, smuggling cannot call partnership. So, yes, your business should not be such business that there is any restrictions by law. Okay, if your business, that kind of business which is restricted by law, then your partnership become illegal automatically. Okay. Next one is share of profit. The agreement between partners must be to share profit of business, there can be no partnership without the intention of the mutual gain. The profit must be distributed among the partnership in agreed ratio. Similarly, losses should be shared among the partners. However, share of profit is not conclusive proof of partnership. For example, managers may be given a share of profit, share in the forms of profit. So it is an important that consideration of partnership, that those who are partners should share profit and loss. Whatever business they come from should be distributed. And next one is mutual agency. Partnership business can be carried on by all partners or by any of them acting on behalf of others. In other words, every partner is an implied agent of other partners of the firm. So yes, in partnership, partner can be agent of each other, because any partner can perform any work on the behalf of any other partners. Okay.